Hello. So this is how you create gradebook items and categories with Canvas. So before you can add things into the gradebook, first you have to have assignments that are created for it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to the Assignments tab. Once you're inside your course and you're on the Courses tab, go to the Assignments link, click that. And then you'll see that I've already made up a couple weeks and homework assignments here. So you can actually create groups for your assignments. So one thing that you could do is you can create assignment groups by week. And this is very similar to creating modules. So we'll go up here to the Add Group button right here, the plus group button. Click that. And then a window will come up and it'll say ask for a group name. So you go ahead and type in week. In this case, it's going to be week 5. Okay, so now you'll see that the week that we just created is down here at the bottom of the page. So we'll go ahead and click this button in order to assign an assignment to this group. So here's the assignment. The assignment type, you can do a discussion, quiz, external tool, ungraded. This time we're going to do assignment, and we'll call it week 5 discussion. This is also where you can set a due date and the points. And the points we will change to 5. So once you've done that and you've created the assignment, in order for students to see it, you then have to publish it. So as you can see, each of these groups have their own little settings. Like you can change settings like from here by clicking these dots right here. And you can swap the order of things. You can change this, like place these in different groups by clicking these 8 dots on the side. It lets you move things around. So once you're finished there, then we can go ahead and go into the gradebook. In order to do that, you'll have to click Grades. And as you can see, all of our assignments here are already set up for students to go through. So here will be the student names, and then you'll have the different assignments and the assignment groups, as well as a total for each student. You can adjust the order of these assignments slightly. You can go to the View tab and select Arrange By. Currently we have due date, oldest to newest. We can do a default order, which probably won't change much. You can go and do assignment name. You can go alphabetical order or reverse alphabetical order. You can do a highest to lowest points. You can do it by module if you want to sort it first to last or last to first. Those are pretty much all of the options that you get when it comes to rearranging items and groups there. So it does make it a little difficult for like if students wanted to look up their grade, depending on how many assignments they have throughout how many assignments and assignment groups, how many they have throughout the semester or whatever class period they're looking at, they might have to scroll through all of them to look at each individual one and get to the total. Luckily, it seems that if you go back to courses and go to the course homepage, that if you select assignments, it will give you an update on the total points that you get on that assignment.